In a world where wealth gaps seem to be growing wider, a surprising force is helping to bridge the divide. Private equity, often seen as a powerful tool for the ultra-wealthy, is quietly playing a crucial role in empowering the middle class. In today's video, we'll explore how private equity is driving growth, creating jobs, and building a stronger middle class for the future. Segment 1. Introduction to private equity. You might have heard of private equity, but what exactly is it? Simply put, private equity refers to investments made in private companies, those not listed on the stock market. This capital is typically used to grow businesses, improve operations, or even rescue companies that are struggling. But why does private equity matter to the middle class? The answer lies in how private equity influences the companies we all rely on daily. Segment 2. Creating jobs and stability. Cut to scenes of employees working in a manufacturing plant, small businesses bustling with customers, and an entrepreneur discussing business strategies with investors. One of the most direct ways private equity is helping the middle class is by creating jobs. When private equity firms invest in a business, they often bring in the expertise and resources to expand it, whether through upgrading technology, entering new markets, or improving customer service. The result? More stable companies that can hire more employees. For example, private equity-backed companies are more likely to invest in sustainable growth, which leads to more secure job opportunities. This kind of investment helps stabilize communities, offering long-term employment prospects for those in the middle class. Segment 3. Supporting small and medium-sized businesses. Private equity also plays a vital role in supporting small and medium-sized businesses, the backbone of the middle class. These businesses often struggle to access the necessary capital for growth or innovation. Private equity offers these companies the funding they need to compete with larger corporations, allowing them to scale, hire more workers, and ultimately improve the livelihoods of their employees. For instance, consider a local bakery that expands into multiple locations thanks to private equity funding, or a tech startup that goes from a small team to a rapidly growing business, hiring skilled professionals at competitive salaries. As these businesses grow, so do the opportunities for middle-class workers. Segment 4. Improving access to affordable services. Private equity isn't just about profit. It's about improving access to essential services that benefit the middle class. In industries like healthcare, education, and affordable housing, private equity plays a critical role in increasing efficiency and reducing costs. Take healthcare, for example. Private equity firms often invest in outpatient care centers or healthcare providers, streamlining operations and improving patient access to affordable services. In education, private equity-backed firms may fund educational technologies or new schools, making quality education more accessible to families. By investing in industries that impact daily life, private equity is helping to enhance the quality of services available to the middle class. Segment 5. Driving innovation and technological advancement. Innovation is another key area where private equity is empowering the middle class. With the rise of new technologies, private equity firms are investing in groundbreaking startups that develop products and services for the everyday consumer. Think about how mobile technology, fintech, and renewable energy are transforming lives, creating jobs, and improving quality of life for middle-class families. For instance, private equity-backed firms have played a critical role in the growth of the electric vehicle industry, making affordable electric cars more accessible. These innovations are not just for the tech-savvy elite. They have real-world applications that benefit middle-class consumers directly. Segment 6. Enhancing community impact. In many cases, private equity is also focused on making a positive impact on communities. A growing trend among private equity firms is socially responsible investing, which focuses on creating businesses that offer sustainable solutions and contribute to the betterment of society. For example, private equity has helped fund renewable energy projects that create green jobs, or affordable housing initiatives that provide safe, comfortable living spaces for families. By aligning their investments with long-term social benefits, these firms are not just creating profits, they're also supporting the middle class in meaningful ways. So, as we can see, private equity is not just about making money for the wealthy. It's about fostering growth, creating jobs, improving access to essential services, and driving innovation, ultimately empowering the middle class. Whether it's through supporting small businesses, investing in technology, or improving communities, private equity is playing a crucial role in shaping the future for everyday families. Business Market Pro, a private equity firm offering access and resources to American working family. Business Market Pro is your ultimate destination for financial empowerment. We provide top business news, expert financial education, and access to professional financial advisors. Our services also include 4 $K vouchers for house expenses and student loan debt relief, helping you build a secure and prosperous future. Stay informed, make smart financial decisions, and achieve your goals with Business Market Pro. These services are not open to everyday individuals. These are only to the elite. We are offering the service for the $59.95 for the membership or subscription. Give them access to everyday working families. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into how finance and business are shaping our world. We'll see you next time.